film to life on green wood, and today in 3 easy steps I'm going to show you how to clean, prepare, and decorate pine cones. I don't want to go too far up in here. They were better looking the other day when I found some. Here's 2 back there, but trying to watch out for poison ivy too. I'm not going too far up in there. So I'm going to show you how to wash and preserve these pine cones. So stay tuned. I first want to clean these. They have a lot of grass and everything on them, so I'm just going to wet them a little bit and then see if I can get some of that gunk off first. And then I'll go into the real cleaning process. Wow, it seems like just in a little time, I just rinsed them off and they started to close up, which is natural. They will close, but once water hits them, they close. But once you put them in the oven, they will open up. So let's put some. I'm going to put some vinegar, and you can use any kind of vinegar. We just happen to have this, so I'm going to soak them in water and vinegar. And I'm just eyeballing this, and this is really just to give them a little cleaning and kill the little bugs that might be on them. And also to get off some of that pine sap and stuff. Funny, a few of these I collected. You can see them. They're closing up even more. A few of these I collected last week, and they were really wide open, and I left them outside, and it rained and what have you, and they all closed up. So, okay, so we're going to let this soak. I think I'm going to let it soak for. One of the tutorials I saw said she let her soak for a couple hours. I'm not going to do a couple hours. I may give this, I'll come back in an hour and see what they look like. The next step after putting everything, all the pine cones on a cookie sheet, is a lined cookie sheet, that is. I used aluminum foil because you don't want any of the sap and all that to be falling onto your cookware or even onto your oven. So line your cookie sheet with aluminum foil, and then let's just pop it into the oven. So the next step after that is to bake these pine cones at 250 degrees for 3 hours or until the pine cones open. Check on it often. I checked on mine like every 30 minutes, just checking in to see how they were doing, to make sure that they weren't burning or anything like that. And as you can see, they came out really, really well. I mean, they weren't the best pine cones that are on the market, but you know, this is what I found in the yard. And I think they're not bad for free pine cones, right? So step 1, clean them, wash them with vinegar and water. 2, place them on a cookie sheet, a lined cookie sheet. And 3, bake them at 250 degrees. So now I'm going to see if I can decorate these pine cones and show you a little fall vignette. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one.